Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley. I wanted to update you. Big news from CinchShare. If you would like CinchShare to be able to continue to post in your Facebook groups, you need to do this quick thing before August 1st for any groups that have already been created. So that once August 1st rolls out, you'll continue to be able to post in those groups. And once August 1st has started, any group you create after that, this is August 1st, 2018, any group you start after August 1st, just make sure when you're setting it up, when you're creating the group, that you do this quick step. So here we go. You'll need to add CinchShare as an app. So go to the group, you're going to edit group settings. This is obviously on your computer. Then you're going to look for this word right here, apps. You're going to add apps. And basically what that is doing, look for CinchShare, you're giving the company, the app, permission to post for you. You've added CinchShare and it can now be used in your group. Okay, so this is my VIP group. You'll be able to now post with CinchShare in that group. You're authorizing Facebook to allow CinchShare to do that. So that's it. It's super, super easy. So thanks so much and happy scheduling of posts.